You've seen beautiful drawing styles and you wonder how they do it, and you want to also do it. Well, today we'll be showing you in a few simple steps. Stay tuned and learn. So before we go, we will have to create a plan so that we can use it to do whatever we want. So I believe you know how to do these settings. So I will show you how to do it in my next video. So we're going to create something like a simple plan. Yeah, a very simple plan. So after you're done designing, you want to make it stylish, but then you're stuck here, you don't know what to do. Don't worry, I'm here to give you a solution. So there's something you can do. You can either pick the wall. Let's say one by one, then you change the color. Let's say, let's select the wall tool, then Control A, select off. Then you come here under cut surfaces, which I've shown you in my previous video. If you want to understand this, go and watch my previous video. Let's say I want this blue, right? But this is going to take us time to do. It's going to take us time to do. So for objects, overwrite object pen. You see, all of this is going to take us time. So I want us to achieve this. So you go for dimension one, it takes you see that you are spending a million time. And imagine doing this for every project you are doing. So instead, we come here. It's what they call graphic override. So yeah, we have the already default graphic overrides here that you can pick from. You can see them. You see, it's only going to affect the design. It's not going to affect the sections. You see, you see. Actually, this one is looking beautiful. Yeah. But instead of this presentation you see online, you wish you can do them, but you don't know how to go about them. We are here to show you. So you come here. You can import. You can import. You can import. But then let's say new. Let's name this one Arc 101. Right? So then what happens here? You need to add rules. You have to give it rules. It's just like in a classroom, the teacher gives set the rule for the student to follow. So here you tell so here you manage the rules. Yeah, you set the rules that the plan has to follow. You understand? So let's go. I'm going to take you bit by bit. So you add, you get, let's say our first rule. This one is going to affect just the wall. This is going to be for wall. It's going to be for walls. Then the next one should be it's going to be for other elements. Other elements like it's based on hierarchy. It's very simple. It's based on hierarchy. It's based on priority. You have to choose which. If you know what they call, it's based on shade. So you choose which element you want to pop out and which you want it to look center. Okay, so other elements, right? So you come here. You see these three buttons here. Edit. Once you come there, so all this. Then let's here we only have it for wall. Then you come just select wall. Yeah, so I'll set you check here. So I want to use this blue here because of the field that you want. You check this one too. Alright. So you check here. Just this is setting, it's not hard. You say okay. This is for this. Then you go to other elements. Yes. Then you go for other elements. You see like this. So you can still add. So we have let's say for beam, add elements. You add again. You add again. You add again. So let's see. This This one is for, so this one is for slab, this one is for door, this one is for window, this one is for objects. I think we are good to go. Then you check here only. Let's use the 6. You say okay. You see? See, we're actually getting there. We are getting there. You see, our design is already coming up gradually. So let's go back and add. So we are missing out here. Let's set here. Let's see, foreground. So we forgot to add for section here. Forgot to add for section, so let's add. Dimension lines. We forgot to add for dimension line. Correct. You see? How do you see it? How do you see it? So for the slab, there are 2 ways of doing it, right? You can select the slab, go to the slab setting, go under cover fields, then you check here, and then you do all of this stuff. But if you want it to reflect, you see, so if you want it to be affected from here, so after adding, or you come here, or you add here, let's say slab, come here, and you run these settings, okay, and it will affect itself directly here. Simple. That's just what you need to do. If you observe, we have our drawing looking smart, looking very smart. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos like this.